everyone, welcome back to Golden Final Spin. Thank you for tuning in. This episode I'm going to be sharing something that I said that I was going to be sharing on our Facebook page. If you do not follow us on Facebook, jump over to there after this video. Give us a like if you want. On there I share different articles that I find that are record related, turntable related, around our hobby that we enjoy. Any news articles and stuff like that, and I also give hints on videos that are coming up, and I share behind the scene photos and videos of things that aren't always on YouTube about Golden Final Spin. So let's get right into it. I'm going to share with you something that was shared with me so that you guys all know the cheapest, easiest, safest way to clean your stylus. Now there's different liquids out there that you can get to clean your stylus, like this one here, but one of my stylus, the needle on it, actually the glue let go because I was using too much of this. Another thing is this here. This is the Zero Dust. What this is a gel-like substance there. It's sticky, and you lay your stylus on it, and then it pulls dust and stuff off. Actually, if you look closely, you can probably see some of the dirt that I actually got from previous times. I have not cleaned it. You can clean it with soap and water, or you can use the brush that comes usually on the top of these. Now we're going to test something here, and that is this moon gel. You can get these at music stores. It has 6 packs in this one, and it's simply move the mill gel damper pad around your drum head surface and notice a change in the sound. But I believe, and what I've been told, is that it's pretty much the same thing as the Zero Dust. The good thing is it only costs $10. Big problem here is it's too big. It's too big, and I also believe that this is a little bit too tall as well. I don't like the height of it, so we obviously can't put this underneath your toner. Wow, look, this is the first time I'm opening it. So you got all these moon gels, and is separate them. I went to a coin store and I bought these. These are a little bit thinner, and has a little pad in here. You just throw this out, and then usually they just put their coin on that and put it in there and close it up. Now I have a very thin, not very tall case. This stuff is really sticky. Alright, she didn't fall apart. That's good. Boom. Now it's in here. I bought this off of Amazon. I'm not sure what microscope it is, but we're going to have a look at the current state of my stylus. I'm actually quite surprised because from looking at it with the naked eye, I don't see anything, but there's obviously a lot of buildup of dust, and there's a hair there. If I blow on it, see that it moved and actually stuck back onto itself. So that's what it looks like right now. Now we're going to try this moon gel and see what this does and have a look at it again. It's actually really softer than the Zero Dust. That should be good. Now let's have a look after we used the moon gel. So you can see that it definitely took off a lot, because before it had the hair, and I couldn't really tell what the stylus was, the shape that it was. It was kind of all blended in with the actual shaft of the stylus. So I'm really happy with this. It did sink in though quite a bit. So when you're using your tone arm lifter, I would watch it just go down into it a little bit and then pull it back out. Don't let it sit completely down in it, because it's not as stiff as the Zero Dust, and it'll actually push your whole stylus down into the moon gel. In this case it cleaned it up some, but I don't want that much being pushed down onto it. So there you go folks. This works. It's good stuff. Moon gel. dampen pads, go to a music store who sells drums and accessories. This has 6 in this particular one. Non-toxic, it says right on it. And inside the package, they're all stuck together like that. You just peel one off, save this so they don't dry out, and then grab yourself a little coin case so it's low profile. And that's all that's to it. The safest, cheapest way to clean your stylus.